Hey, what's up? If you've ever felt overwhelmed by your finances, if you're living paycheck to paycheck, or you just don't know where to start saving, you're in the right place. That feeling of not being in control of your money is one of the biggest stresses there is, right? This is Finance Fix Blueprint, the place where we're going to fix your finances. Not with magic solutions, but with a plan, a blueprint. Because just like architects need a blueprint to build a skyscraper, we need one to build our wealth. We've all been there. The stress of credit card debt, the feeling that your paycheck disappears as soon as it arrives, or the fear of losing money if you dare to invest. The world of finance can seem like a confusing maze, full of complicated terms and decisions that make us feel small. But the truth is, it's not as complex as it seems. You just need the right tools and a blueprint. This is based on two pillars. First, to fix. That means we'll tackle urgent problems, getting out of debt, having a savings plan, and taking control of our spending. And second, to build. This is where we'll start creating real wealth, by investing intelligently for our future. The Finance Fix Blueprint will explain everything, from how to build a budget that doesn't feel miserable, to how to invest your first $100. We'll talk about automated saving, how to master your debt, and the mindset you need to succeed. All of it in a clear, direct, and straightforward way. I've been in your shoes. I remember staring at my own bank account, feeling like I was in over my head. I spent years trying to figure out the secrets to financial success. And what I discovered is that there are no secrets, just solid, proven strategies. This channel is my way of sharing everything I've learned, without the fluff, the jargon, or the sales pitch. And here's the thing that many people miss. Finance isn't just about numbers, it's about psychology. We'll dive deep into topics like overcoming a scarcity mindset, dealing with impulsive spending, and building habits that make managing money feel effortless. We'll explore why we make certain financial decisions and how to train our brains to make better ones. Because once you fix your relationship with money, the rest becomes so much easier. We are here to help you build a life where your finances aren't a constant worry. If you're ready to take control and start your own journey towards financial freedom, subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. And let me know in the comments, what's your biggest financial challenge right now?